I was going to film a little home tour down at the beach place, show you what we've got outside here first. We've got this flag hanging here. I have my popcorn critters in the windows here. It was kind of hard to see. There. And we have cafe lights that are at night right there. I leave those up all the time. Oh, I got this cool stocking, lighted stocking at Anchor Thrift yesterday. I really like it. It looks really neat at night. And on the porch, I have my cool plywood snowman head with the blinking nose light. These plywood things are hard to get. People just don't get rid of them. Then all along the fence, as you can probably see it, it's not real dark yet. It's kind of dark. We put lights all the way down there. And come out here a little bit. And it looks really nice at night. There's my whirligig. It was going really good this morning. They were having gale warnings. So it was working. She was working hard. I'll show it to you. We got it all fixed up. We had it in this old stump, but the stump was like rotten, so we cut it down. Hey, this is Mr. Retro sculpture. I think it's supposed to be a bear face. It's a work in progress, I guess. So there's my lights. And that's how that looks. Right there. So I'll go inside now. Let's see, nothing out here. I tried to put one of those inflatable things out here last year and it kept falling over, so it wasn't that fun. Oh, out here I just have my tiki with a Santa hat. And inside there's the Christmas barking dog here. And this area, I just kind of did like this. Got that cool wooden tree. I think it was somewhere down here. The scale was from Goodwill down here. I love, that's a redware penguin I love. This one is really cool. I have the box for this too. And it's got those flame bulbs, which I love. That's just regular stuff. And I have an angel thing there. And not much else. I put those little kissing angels there. And my nice hoodie. And that's that. Let's see, there's a dog. Who doesn't want to stop scratching? Miss. I got this. Where did I find that? Oh, I think that I got that at Anchor Thrift. It's handmade. I love that. And let's see. This is my elf candy dish. Right there. And this is the coffee table we made with just some little Christmas stuff on it. These are vintage. These candles. Vintage V-Spot went through a 1961 Montgomery Ward's catalog, and one of the ads was these guys, which I was surprised. I didn't know they were that old, but I love them. And I love these guys too. They're so cute. And I put tea lights in these. And I got one here. There's my old school speaker thing. Let me just put a tea light in that. And he got snazzed up with a Christmas pin and a sparkly hat. And this is a fiber optic silver tree with a Snoppy on top. And some cerise bowls, and a sparkly elf there, and this jewelry Christmas tree I made, yes, last year, the year before, something like that. So I thought it looked good. This is kind of sparkly. This is a sparkly setup here. And the only other thing I have, I think, let's see. Oh, I have a nice squirrel in a Santa suit here. I think he goes. No, I don't think he's turned on, but he's cute. And this is just a guest room. And nothing in this guest room. But I got some stuff in the bathroom. I put red towels. I've been changing the towels like crazy. I have this guy. When did I get that? I got that somewhere. Oh, I love this shower curtain. This was from Marshall's last year. Love that. And just some towels. This thing is so cool. I think I showed this before. I love this. It's just so cute. It's the marshmallows. It's darling. I think they have one with a snowman too. It's from Hallmark from a few years ago. I'm talking through this so I don't get dinged. But they're super duper cute. Look at that. They're so cute. Got him up there. And this is that Santa that's in the bathroom. It's really weird. So weird. It's Jemmy. Another beautiful Jemmy item. Yay. And then I found this today. I'm trying to figure out where to hang it in here. I love this. I spotted this outhouse thing first. I went, oh, I bet somebody made this. I bet it's a set. And then I found this gal. So I think she's like trying to make her way to the outhouse. So that's fun. And then I was like, well, that's cool. There's two pieces. And then, look, I found the man. It's a race. So I'm going to see if I can hang it in here. I'm not sure where. I started to hang these guys up. But I don't know. I may have to rework my configuration of decor in here. But I really love them. So I will see you later.
Oh, I've really outdone myself.
I'm back again. We were going to show this at night because I couldn't really show it
There's across
when I
the
filmed
street.
it earlier. Oh, that's across the street. Yeah, he has a really cute thing across there too.
Anyway,
To remind you to check your hoses.
wrap your pipes.
Wrap your pipes. That's the water pump for the community, which is cool.
Yeah.
And so he got these lights all fixed in there,
Santa.
all the way down. He had to monkey around with them, go to the store twice, and
Yeah.
so it's been fun. Now don't trip on that stump.
So
We've been working on the stump.
Well, you
I
can't
showed
really
the
see
stump
that.
earlier. Everyone's so interested in this.
Oh, the stump, yeah. The stump is really the star of the show.
Yeah, the stump.
You know.
The stump was the star of the week.
Besides the oh shit. There we go.
There you go. Did you get it?
Mhm.
Okay, and there's my boot, my cute little stocking that I got.
Pretty bright.
And my popcorn guys. Oh, look, so you can see them through the window. So,
That thing's bright.
yeah, it is bright.
And this guy.
And then this guy. So, I will see you later. Bye-bye.